So yesterday was a green trading session overall if you're looking at Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq. But as I keep on telling for the last couple of days, I mean, this is happening in between a range. So there is nothing specific to talk about. And when we are very, very close to the next FOMC meet, I mean, it's going to happen. So the meeting is going to conduct in between 31st January and 1st of February. So you will get to know the decision and the commentary just three trading sessions away. So it's better to wait and watch rather than doing something or take position aggressively on any of the side. Or if you do want to take positions, obviously you need to understand or you need to have a proper plan of entry and exit. I mean, whether you want to go only long or you want to go or you want to take position on both the side, you want to keep your stop loss. So you may have different strategies based on your analysis, but it would be better if you just wait and watch, or rather have a proper plan before entry and exit. Now, as you can see, as I've been saying as well for the last 2 weeks at least, that everything is happening in between a range. So it does not matter whether Dow Jones is going up by 200 point up or down, or even Nasdaq is going to 300 point up and down, because there is a well defined range. And overall all the all the three indices are trading in between a range for the past 2.5 months. So for Dow Jones, with a immediate support of 33,310, if it continues to sustain above that, we have 33,350, 34,350, 34,626 and 34,700, 740. These are the three specific targets. So we have some more room to look at on the upside, but these are specific levels. Don't go beyond the levels. That's the important message that we need to understand. And if Dow Jones falls below 33,300, obviously 32,970 and 32,610 will be the next support. And it would, and if it goes beyond the range, then wait for a clear signal. It's not like Dow Jones started trading above 34,750 and you just take your positions quickly. You just need to understand, because sometimes it would be a false breakout or even false breakdown. Okay. Now talking about Nasdaq, what do we have here? You can see the swings are bigger, but yeah, but this time Nasdaq is telling us a different story. So this is very, very interesting. Till yesterday there is no such signal, but if I look at the close, and if I want to go for a trade, so Nasdaq is giving me a different signal. But yes, I would definitely wait. For the signal or for the confirmation, because if this is what I think it is, then obviously we are here for a big move. But if it does not, then it may hurt me a lot. So it would be better for me to understand the trend properly. So if you are looking at Nasdaq is very near to its resistance level. So 11,500 and 11,574 for 580, it is very near to that. So wait for the Nasdaq to surpass 11,580 and sustain above that, because it is very near to resistance level. There is always a possibility that it may started falling towards 10,300 and 10,200. So because this is a potential breakout, a possibility for a potential breakout is there, but wait for a clear signal. Wait for the Nasdaq to surpass and sustain above 11,580 before taking any action over here. And don't do jumping around, because although the move is quite good, I would say, but signals have stretched in the shorter term time frame, and wait for the clear signal as far as the price action is concerned. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, wait and watch. Overall, S&P 500 will also give you a positive signal, because both the indices closed in positive. So There is no exception for S&P 500. It will definitely give you a positive signal, but here as well it is very near to the resistance zone. So we have some more to go on the upside. There is no denial in that. Right now we will wait for S&P 500 to surpass 4100, the least. If it happens, then we have 4200 or even 4330 that will open up. But here also we require a clear confirmation. The problem is because as we move forward to this Fed meeting, market will go flat. It will give you one day upside and one day downside in between, and that has happened actually. So that's why we will wait for the trade to happen. If we lose, if we miss 100 point, on the upside or on the downside, it does not matter. If you understand the trend and how it's going to move, obviously if we miss 100 or 200 point out of 1000 point or 2000 point, it should not bother us. So here also wait for S&P 500 to surpass 4100, the least, otherwise it would be a problem. So right now the range that we are going to look at will be 4100 on the upside and 3767 on the downside. And if S&P 500 will give you a clear signal beyond 4100, 4200 and 4330 is on the cards. Now as a summary, what we can see is all the major indices excluding, I would say, Dow Jones has some more to go on the upside. If you are looking at Nasdaq, it is very near to the resistance zone. It is actually at the resistance zone. So does the S&P 500. So the question is whether there will be any breakout or whether it will be a resistance. They will face resistance and started moving lower. So we are in the middle of the crossroads. So better take decisions accordingly. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.